Hello guys, welcome to my channel Wireless Wiz. I am Srishti. Today I am going to solve a numerical based on random variable where finding the moments. So this is our first question. The question goes like random variable n has PMF Pn of n. With this function, use MGF of n to find first 4 moments of n. Also compute standard deviation of n. So I have written this function in the table form, and the formula for the finding mg of fn is mn of t summation n equals to 0 to 5, because there are 5, that is like till 5th number is there, so 5 I have written. N value is 5, so e power tn and p of n. So now we'll substitute the equation, that is e power 0 of 0.15, that is n value is 0, so I have written 0. P of n for 0 it is 0.15, so I have taken it as 0.15. So with t, okay, then I will add e power t for 1, and p of, for 1 it is 0.15 again, then plus e power 2t into 0.15 plus e power 3t into 0.15 plus e power 4t into 0.20 and plus e power 5t into 0.20. So our mn of t is equals to, we will take all the values common, so 0.15 into e power 0, that is nothing but 1 plus e power t plus e power 2t plus e power 3t plus, we'll take 0.20 as a common, so e power 3t plus e power 4t, bracket close. So this is our mn of t. So we need to find the first moment. So first moment, so to find the first moment we need to take mn of t. So I'll write this again, 0.15, 1 plus e power t plus e power 2t plus e power 3t, 0.20 e power 3t plus e power 4t. We need to substitute t is equals to 0 in order to find first moment. So t is equals to 0, that is mn of 0. But in before mn of 0 we need to find the derivative, that is mn dash of 0. That will be, I'll do simultaneously, that is I'll do the derivation, differentiation, as well as I will substitute it with the 0, so which is nothing but mean, that is e of x. So I'll take it as 0.15, and this differentiation is 0, of 1 is 0, so then as it is, and e power t differentiation is e power t, and substitute t is equals to 0, so it is e power 0, and this will be 2 into e power 0 plus 3 into e power 0, bracket close, plus 0.20, this will be 3 into e power 0 plus 4 into e power 0, bracket close. So our value will be, if I simplify this, I'll get 0.9 plus 1.8, which is nothing but 2.7. This is our first moment. We'll find the second moment. Again, we need to differentiate m dash n of 0 again, twice, that is mn double dash of t. I'll do, instead of 0 I'll take t, so that it will be easier for you guys. So this will be 0.15 e power t plus 4 e power 2t plus 9 e power 3t plus 0.20. This is 16 e power 4t plus 25 e power 5t. This is nothing but this thing. I have differentiated this again. Now I'll substitute this with the 0, that is t is equals to 0. Once if I substitute this with the 0, it will be again 0.15 e power t is again 1, then it is 4, 9 plus 0.20, this will be 16 and 25, which is nothing but 10.3. We got the second moment. Now we will do for the third moment. Mn triple dash of t, that is 0.15 e power t plus 8 e power 2t plus 27 e power 3t. So did you understand how we got 8 and 27 here? So that is nothing but e power t as it is. So this will be 4 into 2 e power 2t. That is 4 into 2 is 8, and here as same 9 3s are 27. So 9 3s are 27 e power 3t. This is how we do the differentiation. E power 5t. So we got this equation. Now again we will do t is equals to 0, that is 0.15 e power 0 is 1. This will be 8, 27 plus 0.20 in bracket 64 plus 125 bracket close. So when we'll add this, we'll get this as 43.2. Now this is our third moment. Now fourth moment. In the same way again we will do it a fourth time differentiation, that is this thing 0.15 e power t as it is, then 16 e power 2t plus 81 e power 3t bracket close plus 0.20 bracket open 256 e power 4t plus 625 e power 5t. This is our fourth derivative. Again we will just substitute t is equals to 0. So our value will be 0.15, 1 plus 16 plus 81. Just blind you write off the coefficients, no need of this. This is anyhow it is 1. So anything multiplied with 1 is same thing. Bracket close 0.20 bracket open 256 plus 625 bracket close, which is equal to 190.9. So we got our fourth moment. So we have computed all the moments, that is 4 moments. Now our next part of the question is also compute standard deviation of n. So second part is standard deviation of n. So before finding standard deviation of n, we need to find the variance of n. So because the formula of standard deviation of n is SD of n is equals to under root v of n. So we need to find v of n first. So v of n, we all know that v of n is equals to e of x square minus e of x the whole square. So e of x square is nothing but the first moment, that is 10.3, and the second moment is e of x square, and e of x is first moment, that is mean. So that will be 2.7 the whole square, which is equals to 3.01. So our standard deviation will be SD of n is equals to root of 3.01, which is nothing but 1.73. This is our standard deviation. Hope you liked the video and you understood the concept. If you have any doubts or queries, just comment me, and if you have any other questions which you want me to solve, then also you comment me, and please do subscribe.